This is Jean-Pierre Muhelo from UTC FX. As usual, today it is Saturday, and I think it is the last Saturday for January 2024, the month which was not easy for the traders because the market was very quiet and consolidating a lot. And as usual, we share with you our top 10 currency pairs and assets which we are trading on the upcoming day, and this is what you are going to do. No doubt we're waiting too far. Let's start with USD Swiss. We are bullish on USD Swiss because going to a weekly time frame, USD Swiss is at a strong support which has been tested in 2015. That is where USD Swiss is coming from. And if you see from the weekly time frame, you see that we have this bullish over there. Okay, going to daily time frame, we have this trend line which was acting like recently like a resistance, and it is already broken. This trend line which was acting like a resistance, it is already broken. Therefore, since you are coming from a stronger resistance, we do expect USD Swiss to make a pullback at this trend line which has been broken and to continue higher. Let's go to 4 hour to show you how we are planning to trade this market. Therefore, going to 4 hour time frame, usually where the price has broken the trend line, it used to be the area of value, and as you can see, it was a support, resistance. Therefore, we are waiting USD Swiss to pull back around this support around 0.8526. Okay, so if we could get a pullback at this level and get something like a double bottom, we're looking for buying opportunities. That's why we do have USD Swiss on our watch list. Of course, our target profit will be at this resistance around 0.88. That is where we will target our profit. Okay. The next pair on our watch list, it is Euro USD. Euro USD, if you are following UTC on a regular basis, you know that we are bullish on the dollar. Therefore, automatically we are bearish on Euro USD. Okay. And going to Euro USD, you see we had this move up, then we made a pullback here, consolidation. The price managed to make this break of this support, and we had a lower low and a lower high, which means that we are potentially in a downtrend. And for the last 12 day, Euro USD is consolidating below this resistance. This is a signal of weakness. This tells you that sellers are willing to continue pushing lower to this market. Okay, therefore, for Euro USD, it's difficult to get a pullback around this zone and to have the above top, for example, at this level. Of course, we will look for sell opportunities in this market. Okay, so Euro USD is on our watch list, and we are bearish on Euro USD. As I said, it could be possible that Euro USD could break below this level without testing our resistance level over there. Okay, so if that's happening, I think we will not trade Euro USD. Let me check, unless we could get a risk to reward ratio of at least 1.1.5, because that is what we take when we are trading with swing trading strategy. Yes, we can still trade it, we break and retest if Euro USD continues to push lower without retesting that resistance. So this is how we are planning to trade Euro USD. and you see it is consolidating even below 50 moving average for sure. USD, even though it is not a very strong bearish, but it is bearish. Going on, our next market on our watch list is the AUD/USD. AUD/USD was in upward trend for since October 2020. Then it managed to break this trend line, which was acting as a support, which means that we are in a reversal. Unfortunately, this deep pullback support, that's where the market is consolidating. As we know, if you are an experienced trader, you know that support, it is an area to the chart where potential buyers could enter and push the market higher, like here. You see, this was a broken resistance, and once it was broken, we got the retest here, and the market managed to continue pushing up. But if you see at this support, this is not the case, okay? The market is consolidating at this support for the last 12 days. Of course, this is not the US, this is based on the US, and you know that the X was consolidating currently. So this is a signal of weakness. It indicates that this support is weak. It is consolidating because there are no buyers who are willing to continue pushing higher this market. Therefore, we'll be continue watching out to this consolidation, and we are bearish, of course. If we could get a black and the retest of this support, that is where we are going to look for sell opportunities in New Zealand AUD/USD, because we are also bearish on AUD/USD. Next market is New Zealand USD. As you know, New Zealand and AUD, their brothers, it is their cousins. What one is doing, another one is doing. So therefore, of course, New Zealand USD, the same price action, the market is consolidating at this support. And if you zoom well over here, you will see that New Zealand USD has managed even to break this support, to make a retest at this 50 moving average. And if you see on Friday, the last day of the last trading week, you can see this momentum over here. Okay, this is a retest. Therefore, we are waiting on a lower time frame. Okay, let me read this support. Of course, we have this consolidation over here on 4-hour time frame, and we have this support over here. This is our consolidation, but it is showing that New Zealand USD is bearish. Therefore, if we get a double top around this resistance of 0.615, we will sell. Or if it continues lower before it gives us that signal, we can trade break and retest on New Zealand USD. We can sell the break and retest of this support, as we can trade the double top of this resistance. Okay, and of course, the area to take profit, it is this support around 0.59. It is the next support, counter to the support, where we can target our profits, and it is necessary, it is good to take a profit before the market reaches the area of value. On our watch list, another market we have, it is New Zealand CAD. Okay, New Zealand CAD, as you see, it is also it has broken this trend line, which was acting as support. Then it made this consolidation. Okay, and as you can see, New Zealand CAD managed to retest this broken support of a consolidation, and it made, for someone who was very active and who could have been already traded this pullback over here on a daily time frame. Okay, since now on 4-hour it is reaching this support already. This is where I'm telling we had this double top, but it is gone already. But as you see, we now New Zealand CAD, it is reaching this support, temporary support. Okay, therefore, if New Zealand CAD could pull back and give us a double top at that level, we're looking for sell opportunity again. Or if they continue pushing lower to this support, we'll also trade the break and retest of this support. This can happen before, even before it make a pullback. It can continue pushing lower and pulls back. But for the sake of the clarity of the chart, this setup is the same at this level. Therefore, we'll be looking for sell opportunity at this level. If it gives us a double top at this level, that's where we're gonna look for sell opportunities, or we're gonna trade the break and the retest of this support around 0.82. Okay, so we are bearish on New Zealand card. In terms of taking profit, we have a support, first the support here around 0.81. Okay, or you can even target this support. Where you're gonna take the profit is totally up to it. It depends on your trading plan, but the first take profit should be taken here. That is where we should take our first profit. And if you're aggressive trader, you can manage your trade and continue trading up to this support around 0.80. Let's continue with Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss also is one of the pair we have already profited from. This pair. It is in downtrend, of course. Going to daily time frame, it is in a downtrend, and we made this pullback on daily resistance, and the market is going down. Okay, and on the 4 hour, you see that the trend has already made this 1, 2, 3 move, which means that we are already even officially in a down trend for this market, because we made this impulsive move, retracement impulsive move. Therefore, if we could get a pullback at this resistance level, we're gonna trade double top, and if it continues to continue lower before it make that pullback, of course we are going to trade the break on the retest of this support, which is already broken. Okay, so this is how we are planning to trade Euro Swiss. We can trade a double top of this level, and if it continues pushing lower, okay, we do have a support here, then we can trade the break retest of this resistance. Okay, and of course our target profit will be before this support level around 0.92. That is where we are going to target our profit for the swing traders. Okay, those are the markets you are watching. We do have on our watch list on currency pair, and now let's see on the commodities. Our first market on watch list, if you know, we was expecting US 100 to get a signal and a pullback, but it continues to be bullish. It happens in the market. We're not a fortune tellers. Okay, so what we see, it is that US 100 or Nasdaq, depending on the broker we're using, it is strong, is healthy uptrend. Therefore, we're gonna wait on the pullback of this broken resistance, or we can even wait at this deep pullback support, which has even the confluence with the recent broken resistance, which could turn support. So if we could get a pullback at this level with a bullish reversal pattern, we're looking for buy opportunities. So we are bullish on you Nasdaq. Okay, we can even buy at this deep pullback support as long as we are trading above this support, the pullback support of around 16,000. Will be bullish, and we'll be looking for buy opportunities in Nasdaq. Okay. So to be clear, we are bullish on Nasdaq. Okay. Another interesting market we do have, it is USA. Let's start on a high time frame in order to show you why it is USA. It is in our watch list. I hope you see this trend line, which was acting as support since 2021. Okay, then the market was consolidating at this trend line for more than 60 weeks, and recently, this last week, the market managed to break this consolidation. Okay, let's go to lower time frame in order to see this consolidation. This is where US oil was consolidating for the last 60 weeks. Okay, and then now last week, US oil managed to break this consolidation, and as you can see, it has also made a higher low. Okay, so this is a signal that the bulls are entering this market. Unfortunately, the market it is reaching this resistance around $80. Okay, so it is too late to buy US oil if you have not caught over there. So what you are going to do is to wait a pullback around 70. It could be possible that it pushes up to this resistance, but we are going to wait for a pullback around $75 and then look for buy opportunities. So we will be watching US oil in order to see how it is going to form, but especially we will be waiting for this pullback. Okay. Another pair on our watch list, it is Nikkei. Okay, or Japan index, but not Japan currency index. I think this market was even on our list on the previous week, not the last week. As you see, Nikkei was consolidating below 34,000. Let me make a support in order to see, to show you how it was consolidating. This was a support. So Nikkei was consolidating between $30,000 and the 34,000 resistance since May 2023. Okay, and recently on 10th of January, it managed to make this breakout. Therefore, we are watching out if we could get a retest of this broken resistance, which can turn support. Of course, we will look for buy opportunities. Okay, and we can target this swing and so on. I think how many of the last market on our watch list, it is Bitcoin. Okay, and to give you the clarity on this market, why we are looking for buying or selling opportunities in Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin was at this strong resistance of 28th March 2022 around the 48,000, and it broke and closed this resistance. Okay, or if you are following us, you know that we are targeting to buy Bitcoin at this support along the 32,000. Okay, that is where we are looking for buying opportunities. Going to this area of value, I think we mentioned this area of value at the beginning of the year. You see, the market, Bitcoin attempted to make a pullback on 8th of January, and then a strong acceleration selling pressure comes in and pushed the Bitcoin and closed with a penny bar, bearish on a penny bar. So this is a pullback which is happening, even though it was consolidating for us 2 weeks, but this is a sell signal on Bitcoin. Time frame, we have this trend line which has been broken, and it was acting as a support for quite some times. Okay, for the period of more than 40 days, this trend line was acting as a support, and then as you see, it has broken it. The price has broken it, and it broke this deep pullback support. Therefore, Bitcoin, it is bearish for traders. We can look for this pullback on a high time frame. But for investors, you can wait until the pullback will be done up to this support around the 32,000 before you buy. Because as you know, since we can go to our YouTube channel to check the Bitcoin predictions, we have predicted that Bitcoin, it will reach the price of 110. We made this prediction in 2022 when the price was still here around 20,000. Okay, so you can go back and watch that video. So we are still bullish on Bitcoin, but we have to trade at the right area of value. Therefore, for we are going to trade the Bitcoin, if we could get another bearish candle which closes below this support, okay. For example, if on Monday we could get a bearish candle which is closes below this support, this will be an evening star. To repair our sell signal, we could look for sell opportunity over here, a stop loss there, and our target profit will be at 32,000, where we are looking, waiting for buying opportunities. If it does not happen, it means that Bitcoin could continue pushing up, do this trend line, and it will have, of course, the confluence with the resistance, since it seems like Bitcoin wants to make a head and shoulder pattern. Then we are going to look for a sell opportunity at this level around 44,000. That is where we are going to look for sell. So thank you very much for watching this top 10 watch market on watch list. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to comment and to hit the like button. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you'll be notified. And see you on Wednesday with top 10 live technical analysis, where we analyze the 10 assets our community have been instructed. And if you want to run Forex trading from A to Z, you should consider our course Money Fisher. You can go to our website ultimatetraders.rw and you can go to Money Fisher. It is a course which comes with mentorship and will teach you everything regarding the technical analysis, trading strategy, risk management, trading journal, trading psychology, and we even teach you how to build the trading plan. Thank you very much. See you next time. May God bless you. The trade safe. Ciao.